viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, I showed you some parts of how to enter office employees information through data entry. Today, as a continuation of that, I'll show you how to calculate the retirement date using the joining date and date of birth with formulas, the total length of service, how many days of service remain, and so on. Especially based on the basic salary, how much the house rent will be, these topics as well. So let's get started. First, as before, open a new Excel file and copy the previous information there. After that, see date of birth, date of joining, date of PRL, remaining years, remaining job or service time, and house rent. Date, how can I write here date? If you write here, suppose 1st January 1993. Actually, this both the date and month is same, that's why you can't tell it, you can't realize it. If it is 9 July 1993 or 2 3, what can be 9 July 1993? So this format is not accepted in formula. First of all, you have to convert it the whole the column or your required up to your required rows, the date format. How can you make it date format? Just click here and click right button and go to format cell, then date, and date, there are different types of dates, figure dates, appearance. Suppose date, month, year, day, month, date and year, year, month and date, and month, date, year. What is your, as you wish, you can take it, no problem. Suppose date, month, year, this one is selected. Okay, all the rows will be same, just click here. Okay, here also chronically given here, that is 9 10 9 July 10 July 11 July, but there are different types of people and different types of date of birth. This is normally. So next we can write here, suppose 15 August 1992 and you can take different date of birth against the different employee. Here also 6 November 1980, 6 November 1980. And next you can write here 7 December 1990. And like this you can do all the rows, all the employees. Now we can delete all the all the rows, we can delete it. Okay, we can give here so joining date. Suppose Mr. Rusho join joined here uh, 26 January 2005. 26 January 2005. And Mr. Abdul Boshir joined here 14 December 2004. Like this, Mr. Abdul Salam joined here 8 November 2004. Like this, 17 March 2005. These are joining date. Now we have to apply a PRL date. How can we find the PRL date out here? Then we have to apply a formula. You know, every formula, when you will give every formula, just you have to give here first equal, and next when it is PRL date, you have to write here E date. This is formula E date. When you will give here E, a syntax will be found. E date, just double click here, and next E date, and syntax tells us start date. So start date PRL depend on start date, means date of birth. So we have to give here the row of Mr. Rusho, select here just, and comma, then every employee in Bangladesh is retired on his 59 years. So from the birthday he will be retired on 59 years old. That's why 59 multiplied by 12 month. This is a formula, and you can enter here. So we can see the PRL date is only a figure, just digit, but it is not mentioned a date. That's why you have to select and convert it as a date format. Just right button click here, right button, and go to format cell, and then date, and parallel date. We wish to mention here the day. What is the name of the day? That's why the format day, month, and date and year. We can select it and OK. The Mr. Russo will be retired on 9 July Tuesday 2052. Okay, since his birthday is 9 July 1993, the 59 years will be fulfilled on Tuesday, July 9, 2052. Okay, now you can fill handle. Just double click. Yes, and in this way, another all the employees parallel date will be shown here. Okay, and remaining service time. How can you find out here? Remaining service time. There is also another formula. The formula is, first of all, you have to give here equal to, and year prac. Yeah means 12 months. Yeah, that's why you have to write here y. When you will write here y, year prac, year yield, different types of formula will be shown. You just double click here year prac, and then start date. Syntax is telling us start date, comma, end date, comma, dash dash dash. So start date, since we count it from today, what's the remaining years? That's why we have to write here today. To just today. You can double click here, and this bracket will be closed, and comma, next, end date. End date is parallel date. Then we will got it. We will get it the remaining year, and first bracket closed. Enter. Yes, Mr. Russo will stay here 26 year another. Now you can fill handle. Okay, in this way you can find out what's the remaining years of the employees.